Everyone, welcome back to craft class. Today we are going to learn how to make a 3D snowflakes. Let's start doing it. For making a snowflakes, we need color papers. For that I have taken 3 color papers. I have taken a purple color paper, scissors and Fevicol. Let's start doing it. First, I'll fold the paper into half, this. Then we need a square paper. For that I have taken this and I am cutting this for square. First I'll show how to do first. This first we have to fold this paper, then one more fold like this. Then now you are going to slit till the end, then turn this side, alternate. You have to slit the paper till the end, then turn this side. If you want, you can draw lines also. Then turn this side like this. Then open slowly. Like this. Then first you are going to stick, alternate. You are going to stick. First you have to take a square, first one, in the middle one I'll take a glue, then apply a little. You have to take a little glue, then stick this. If you take more glue, it won't be sticking. Then turn back side. Same way. We have to leave this second one. Then you have to take a third one. It should be the same direction. Again you have to apply the glue little. Then you have to stick. Then turn this side. Again leave for the other one and take another one this side. Then again turn this side. Then stick like this. You have to stick like this all 6 shapes. I am going to do another one. Turn this way again like this. Then again turn this way. Then turn this side. How I told you, same way like this. We have to make 6 like this. This is 1. This is 2, 3, then 4, 5 and a 6. Now we are going to join this slowly. One by one we are going to paste this like this slowly. You can paste two also if you are not able to paste it. Then like this. This after pasting it, now we are going to join in the middle also. If you want, you can paste it or you can staple it also. Now I am going to staple it. This with the Fevicol, it will take more time. For that sake, I am going to staple this in the middle. If you staple it, you will finish it very fast. Fevicol, it will take more time to stick. Here I have completed. If you want, you can make a big one also like this. We can stick even a kundans in the middle, here and all. You can do it like this. I think you liked it, children. I hope you are going to do it. Bye. Thank you.